Hey guys, Rob Murphy from Holistic Healing Choices here once again, and today we're going to have a look at the app Headspace. Now what this app does is it teaches you and guides you through a lot of meditations. It's a very useful sort of app for those beginning to meditate, as well as those more experienced and just want to get more into the specifics of it. So, without further ado, let's have a look at Headspace. Okay, so here we are. This is the first page. You can see I've done 4 days here out of 10 for the very basic one. So you easily click in. It gives you a little bit about what meditation is. You can go through that. And one thing I like about it is for the busy person. So you can skip that. Wait for it. Now it does take a little bit to load, but the thing I really like is that, say you've only got 3 minutes, or you wake up and you've got 10 minutes. You can choose the length of time for the meditations. Hit it, it'll download. And play.
So welcome back to day 4.
Now, other things that you can do. You can go into health, into all these different packs, subscriptions, everything like that. So I know it does cost a bit of money. You've still got those 10 basic ones there that you go with. They're guided, unguided, burned out. Yeah, where you have to subscribe to unlock. We've got all different little animations for you to watch and learn. So it really tries to reinforce the idea of meditation, what it's all about as well. Yeah, if we have a look at my stats, I've meditated for 14 minutes using this app. A couple of 3-minute ones, a 5-minute one. Done 4 sessions. And yeah. Then you've got little minis. Where are we? Home. You can move down minis. You've got one, just on breathing, for 1 minute.
Just taking a big deep breath.
You've got unwind for 2 minutes, which you might have to subscribe for. Now at the end of the day, it does want you to subscribe, but it gives you enough free stuff to start off, which is great. I don't know if a lot of the other apps out there do this. And you've got heaps more stuff in there. Now I think it gives you a few days to try things out for free as well. The basics one is pretty good, especially for those learning to meditate. So if you've never had any experience before, I would highly recommend going through those 10 days. And if you don't want to subscribe, what you can do is, I think, just buy the little first one. Okay, let's have a look. Begin pack. So this gives you the first day for free. 10 minutes to 15 minutes to 20 minutes there. So there's a lot in there just in this app. Now it does stream, so it might take a little time to download depending on your connection and stuff like that. But I mean, there's heaps. You can go through, and provided you've got the money to subscribe to it, you'll find everything that you need to start meditating properly. So, what would I rate this app out of 10? This app, I would give a 9 out of 10, especially for first timers. It is fantastic. You can invite people with their email address, something I haven't done yet. I don't know anybody else who actually uses this in my circle of friends. And it gives you enough freebies to start and see if you actually like meditating, if it's for you. If not, you can delete it and you're done with it.
An open mind means that we're prepared to let go of everything we've ever known.
So guys, that's Headspace in a nutshell. Now the only downside is, it is a little cumbersome sometimes, but when you start it up, onto the basics one, it's very, very easy to get going straight away. Anyway guys, that's it for this video. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.